Hello everyone. Today we will discuss LeetCode question 253, which is meeting room. So it's a LeetCode premium question. So let's read the question. Given an array of meeting time intervals. So you will be given an array of time intervals where interval I is a start I and end I. So it will have two elements, and the first element will be the starting of the meeting, and another is the ending of the meeting. Return the minimum number of conference room required. So we have to return minimum number of rooms required for meeting to be held. So let's see the example test cases. So first example is 0:30, 5:10, and 15:20. So first meeting is starting at uh, 0 and 30. So it is starting at 0 and ending at 30. And another meeting is starting at 5 and ending at 10. So these two meetings are overlapping. So these can't these can't help be in a single room. So we need two rooms. Two rooms. So one for this meeting and another for this meeting. Now another meeting is starting at 50 and ending at 20. Okay. So till the till this time, the second meeting would have get over. So this meeting can be held in this room. So to hold all these three meetings, we require only two rooms. Now let's see the next example. One is 7:10 and another is 2:04. So the input is not sorted on the starting sign. So if we are doing this question, we will first sort these meetings on the basis of the starting time. So this is the first starting time. So which is starting at 2 and ending at 4. So, and second meeting is starting at 7 and ending at 10. So, so when this meeting will start, till then this meeting would have got over. So this meeting can be held in the same room. So only one room is required. Okay, so let's discuss the approach. Uh, the first thing what we will do, we will sort the intervals on the basis of their starting time, and what we what we need to know, we need to know when the meeting is ending and when the another meeting is starting. Okay, if two meetings are overlapping, then we will require two rooms to hold those two meetings. And if three meetings are overlapping, then we need three rooms to hold that meetings. So how we can get to know that how many rooms are required? So if we need to decide eh, eh, if the whatever previous meetings we have, if we know their end time and the current meeting that we are having, if its starting time is greater than the ending time of the previous meeting that is being held, then we can know that whether we require another room or not. Okay, so we will use this point to solve our question. What we will do, we don't need to store the start time of the meeting. We just need the end time of the meetings. So we will take a priority queue, means max heap, and whenever we are processing a meeting, we will check if the queue is empty, then we will simply push. Okay, so in this case, priority queue is empty. We will push the ending time of this meeting, which is 30. So this priority queue has 30 at top. Now Coming to the next meeting. Next meeting we are having starting at 5 and ending at 10. So we will check whether the priority queue top element, uh, if this 30 is lesser than this 5, then we can remove this 30 because this meeting is over. If it is smaller, but it is not smaller, so means it is not over, it is going on. So we need another room. So what we will do, we will simply push this 10 into the priority queue. And each time we will check the size of our priority queue. The size of our priority queue will tell the number of rooms required. So currently the size of our priority queue is 2. So currently we need 2 rooms to hold our meeting. Now coming to the next meeting. So next meeting is starting at 15 and ending at 20. So I will check. Okay, so no, we will not take the max heap. Sorry for this. We will take min heap. Okay, so min heap will have. We will take min heap because we need that ki whichever meeting end first, we can use that room. That's why we need minimum heap. If we use max heap, so it will have the meeting with the largest end time. So that will of no use. So we will need a min heap. So min heap will have 10 on its top. Okay, so now we will have we are having another meeting which is starting at 15 and ending at 20. So we will check the priority top element. So top element is 10. So it is lesser than 15 means it is end. So we can remove this. We will remove this 10. Again, we will check top element, which is 30. So 30 is greater than 15. So means this meeting is still going on. So we will not remove this. Now we will push this 15 into the priority queue. And we will check the size of our priority queue. So priority queue size is 2. So for this, we will require 2 rooms to hold the meetings. Now let's see on the second example, which is 710 and 24. So 710 in our priority queue, priority queue is empty, so I will push 10. And in our result variable, we will record the size of the priority queue, which is 1. Now, oh no, sorry, we will sort this first. So this 2, 4 will come first. So we will push 4 into the priority queue. 10 will not be there. Yeah. So 4 will be there. Now next is the meeting at 7:10. Now we can see that starting time of this meeting is uh, starting time of this meeting is greater than the top of the queue element. So we will remove this 4 and now queue is empty. Now we will push this 7 and after that we will check the size of the queue. So it is still 1. So in this case our answer is 1. Okay, now let's see the code. Okay, so we are first sorting the interval. Sorting the interval on the basis of the start time. And after that, we have taken a priority queue and a rest variable to store the result. We are iterating over the intervals. And at the beginning, what I'm doing, I'm running a while loop till the priority queue is not empty and the top element is lesser than the intervals, means the meeting's start time. means top element, whatever time we have, if it is smaller, then we smaller than the next meeting start time, then we are popping it. And after that, we are pushing the end time of the current meeting. And after that, we are maximizing our result with the priority queue size. And after that, we are returning the result. So let's run this code. Yeah, it passed all the given test cases. Let's submit it. Yeah, it passed all the given test cases. So time complexity for this code is O of n, as we are running a single loop to process all the elements of the interval. So time complexity is O of n. So that's it. Thank you for watching. Do like, share, and subscribe.